Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Quora to your Mac dock so you can open it like a regular app. Quick, clean, and convenient. Let's get right into it. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Next, go to Quora.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the site, go up to the menu bar at the top of your screen, click on File, then select Add to Dock. A small pop-up will appear, letting you rename the shortcut. I'll leave it as Quora, but you can name it whatever you want. Then click Add, and Done. You'll now see the Quora icon in your dock, right alongside your other apps. Here's the best part. When you click on it, Quora opens in its own dedicated app-like window, totally separate from Safari. You can even close Safari, and Quora will stay open just like a standalone app. And that's it. You now have Quora added to your Mac dock for fast, one-click access. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if there's another tutorial you want me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.